Okay, let's take a look at the third problem on page number 8 of your student manual. It says find the position latitude 41 degrees 5.2 minutes north by 71 degrees 32.6 minutes west. So again, when I do that, I like to look at the longitude first because it's either going to be on the right scale of the chart or the left scale of the chart. So 71 degrees 32.6, so here's 71.30, and I find 31.32.6 and I make a mark. Okay, that tells me where the longitude is, so I know I'm going to be using the scale of latitude on the right side of the chart. Okay, now I find 41 degrees and 05.2 minutes north. So 41 degrees is here, here's 5, okay, 05 and 0.2, so I simply make a mark. Now I have to connect those two lines to determine my position. So I'll start over here and I'll draw a line using this line of latitude as my starting point. Okay, now I simply slide this down, okay, to my mark. Okay, here's my 5.2 mark, and I can estimate about where to draw this line. Instead of drawing a really big line, I can just look up at the mark and make a, bring that down and make a mark. Okay, now I can do the same thing from above, but in this case I might use a different tool like my scale or my divider. So if I put my dividers, okay, I've got a set of dividers with a lead point on one side and a point on the other. You can use the points on both sides and then mark with your pencil, but if you have a lead, this will work. So here I am, I'm up on my scale, okay, and I come to my mark, okay, there it is. So now as long as I bring this down, okay, and I stay on that same line, okay, if I make a mark, okay, I just marked where those 2 points intersect. So I ended up on the sounding 88 in my chart. So in your book, problem number 3, if you plotted this position correctly, 41 degrees and 05.2 minutes north by 71 degrees, 32.6 minutes west, you should have ended up right here on the sounding of 88 on your chart.